This is a quick video for you guys, an update video on the Ranger. We spent about 50 bucks on the transformation of this thing so far. So updating you guys on this thing. A video is going to come out on the camper that I'm building in the back of the truck soon, so stay tuned for that. But here's a quick little montage, just some pictures. I didn't really get a lot of videos for this process, so quick progress on the Ranger, so check it out. Alright, that's it for today's video. Just a quick update. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to start on the camper build that we're doing for the Ranger. So that's going to be a really cool video. And we got a lot of cool, exciting things coming up. We got some new mods for the Fiesta too. So stay tuned. We got some stuff in the works. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.